Hi guys, it's me, Almi Astel, Amisum Living. Okay, let's start doing this. Slice the bread. And we'll also slice 2 pieces the cheese. This is really healthy breakfast, guys. Even if you will make this for your snack. So we'll go for preparing the egg. So we'll just beat the 2 eggs and put a little salt, pinch of salt. It's up to you how many salt you're going to put it. Okay, lagyan nito lang po. Mix lang natin yung salt saka yung eggs. Mix natin yung salt. Lagyan na natin ng salt. Mix natin. In a pan, low heat na po yung gamit natin, guys, para hindi masunog yung butter natin. Pero pwede din kayong gumamit ng cooking oil or vegetable oil if you don't have butter. So ayan, lagyan na natin ng butter. Then we can pour our eggs, yung prepare natin kanina. Lagay na natin. Ilagay natin yung slice of bread. Yung sinaslice natin kanina, ilagay natin sa top sa egg. Tapos i-flip over lang po natin para may egg din siya. Yan. Looks yummy already, guys. It's really yummy, guys. Yan. Hintayin natin maluto yung ilalim. Tapos i-flip over natin. Yep. Yan. Tapos yung sa gilid, flip lang natin sa bread. Yan. Tapos ilagay na natin yung sinaslice natin na cheese. Lagay na natin tong cheese na to. Yum! Yum! Yan. Tapos, it's up to you guys kung anong ilagay nyo sa yung ketchup lang. Pero yung nilagay ko dito kasi Filipina. Nilagay ko dyan is mayonnaise. Minimix ko yung mayonnaise saka yung ketchup. Yan, lagay natin ng tomato. Yung asawa ko gusto niya mayonnaise lang. So, I make him mayonnaise only. And the tomato and cheese. Yan. Healthy, diba? That is so yummy. Then, hintayan lang po natin na maluto yung cheese mag-melt. Then, ito na! Yum! Ibang sarap! It's easy and it's very delicious and it's healthy. It's good for breakfast, good for any dinner, or this is a sandwich. So, you can make this anytime. This is really yummy. Thank you for watching! Hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Amisum Living. See, it looks so yummy and this is really delicious and yummy, guys. You have to try this. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.